construction of squares. So there are two types of square construction given in the book. The first one is the one where side is given. Side of the square is given 4 centimeter long, which I am going to explain to you quickly. Just draw 4 centimeter lines which you need to extend. Okay, so this is the 4 centimeter line which I have extended. This is AB. So you have to construct a perpendicular over here like this, keeping point on A, rounders point on A, cutting the line on both sides at equal distance, then measuring distance more than half of this points. Simply cut an arc here, with the same radius cut an arc here. Join this. Should be perfect. Then simply measure AB. This is the measure 4 centimeters. Cut an arc here. Keeping the same radius, that is 4 centimeters from B, cut an arc. Placing here, cut an arc. You get the points C and point D. Simply join them. So this is the square construction where you already know that AB is 4 centimeters. So the side is given. But there is one more construction of square with the help of diagonals being given. So I am going to do that construction now where diagonals are being given. So one diagonal is given 9 centimeter in length. So according to the property of square, all diagonals are of equal length. So what I will be doing is, I will draw a diagonal horizontally of 9 centimeters. This is the 9 centimeter line I have drawn. After which I am going to draw a perpendicular bisector of this line this way. More than half, cut it here, cut it down. With same radius, cut it at the top and down. It. Okay, so then join these points to draw a perpendicular bisector of this line this way. Point person, point. Draw a straight line. Okay, don't forget the arrows. No need of arrows here because we have measured it 9 centimeter. Then what I am going to do is measure this distance from here till here. It is actually 4.5 because it is 9, so it is half, so 4.5. With this radius I am going to cut an arc on this line up and down. 4.5 centimeters it is, but you have to measure this distance. This, okay. Then join these points. Don't join with this, huh? You have to join with this point, upper one. So this is the square. It looks like a kite, but it is a square. A, B, C and D. Don't forget to put the arrows. Okay, you can write here point O, and then you can write a small note here. Square A, B, C, D is a square. AC is equal to 9 centimeters. BD is equal to 9 centimeters.